Ebi byagambwa omuhandiiki w'entuura omu Ministry y'enshonga z'aheeru Bagiire Waiswa Vincent obu yaba nareebekaho omu maisho g'akakiiko k'ishengyero aka Public Accounts Committee okugarukamu ebibuuzo bwanyuma ya ripooti ey'omubazi w'ebitabo ebya gavumenti. Abanyishengyero bamubuuza aha mbeera eri omu mahanga agarimu orutaro hamwe n'entebeekanisa ez'okuhwera abanya-Uganda abari omu mahanga aga na munonga omu Middle East aho America ekwataniise na Israel bariyo nibashengurana na Iran.
Having said that, Madam Chair and members, we've only had one incident of a Ugandan who was hit by some debris in the UAE, and he's being attended to by our embassy.
Omukugarukamu aha nshonga egi Bagiire yagambira abanyishengyero ngu entebeekanisa ez'okwihayo abanya-Uganda ziriyo nizigyenda omu maisho arikushoborera ngu gurupu y'abantu 43 ababandize okwihwayo nibahika omu Uganda erizooba.
Our embassy managed to repatriate or evacuate the Ugandan students. Now, on that occasion, there were indeed some Ugandans that were known to our embassy. They were contacted and asked whether we would evacuate them as well, but they clearly advised the embassy that they will take care of their own affairs. Now, in this particular incident, indeed, as soon as the bombing started, our mission in Tehran coordinated with our embassy in Ankara and moved all the 43 students to Turkey.
Bwetwogerera kati tewanabeerawo statement yonna ewabula bannayuganda oba batambule oba tebatambula. Nolwekyo permanent secretary bwaze ne tumubuuza oba kiri safe okutambula oba nedda, newankubadde tebanafulumya statement, n'atugamba nti okusinziira ku mbeera eriwo teyandiwabudde muntu yenna kutambula mu kyondo kya Buwarabu.
Yaashaba barikwetebeekanisa okuza omu kyanga ekya Middle East okurindaho embeera ebanze kirere.
As we know, the situation is fluid to the extent that the entire airspace more or less has been closed, and therefore flights are not operating. We have engaged the leadership. The leadership there has been proactive. Yesterday, in the last 2 days in the UAE, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs over the United Arab Emirates has engaged all the entire diplomatic corps and given them an update on the status of what is happening in their country. And they've advised what the foreign citizens as well as their citizens need to do. And the advice they've given is restriction of movements.
Bitu b'abanyishengyero bashaba Ministry ey'enshonga z'aheeru okufayo munonga okwihayo abandi abakiina oburemeezi omu kyanga kya Middle East.
Naye olwala tubatadde ku nninga nga twagala kumanya abatali ba student bo mubawadde advisory ki, bo abo abatali ba student either abagenda nga bayitirwa mweno programu ya government externalization of labor, oba abo abeetwala ku lwabwe nga banoonya greener pastures. Kakati yo ministry erabika olwafudde ku ba student nerowooza baweddeyo. Wano ffe tubategeezezza nti bannayuganda gye bali.
Amakuru aga gashakwa Jime Muhumuza omuri Kampala.